Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. Oh my goodness, I'm excited for today's video. I haven't done a video like this in a while. Actually, we have done it once.
Yeah, once.
But you know what? I'm pretty excited for today's video because it's my birthday. And not only that it's my birthday, but Don picked me up some birthday clothes because the man know my style. He does know my style and it's okay, so I always let him. But anyway, what is it?
No, I did one of these now. But
Oh, good. Actually from my favorite store. So I lit him on to like Pretty Little Things. I like Boo Oo. I like Misguided and what other store? Okay baby, just shop, because these are my stores that I like to shop at. So just shop and you know my size and just get it done. So it's going to be husband rate my outfit, but you actually buy them, so I'm going to probably put like husband buy and rate my outfit. Makes sense, right?
Yeah.
So that's what we're going to do.
because I don't know what they look like on you, so.
No, but I'm excited. I just know Don have style. Don knows my style anyway. Get going right now and start trying them on, but let me show you. So it's this amount, and am I excited because red is in it. Red is in it. So try it on and I'll be right back.
Oh, all right.
Oh my gosh.
Ooh.
I love this one.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is my favorite. I love it, and it's velvet blue. I'm loving this dress. So this is it. What do you think?
I like it. I like
Yeah, and I pair it with the black heels.
it. I'm not trying to brag on
Clear.
myself, but that was pretty good.
Yeah. So I give Don props up for this one. And I think for me,
Got
this,
something hanging in the back.
something is hanging.
Yeah.
What is it?
It needs to be burned. It looks like a string.
Or a piece of string. This one, I think I'll give you a 10. I'll give you a 10. And what would you rate it for me, being, you know, for my fitting?
I would say 10 as well.
10 as well?
Yeah.
Yeah, I like it. And look at the back. Woo. So, oh my goodness! And it's giving me curve that I don't actually have. Because I'm like, you know, a string bean shape, but I'm loving it. I'm loving this dress.
Oh, Lady in Black.
I love this. Oh my gosh. This one is cute. It's
It
cute.
is. I like the ruffles.
Oh my gosh, I love
Man,
it too.
You know what? I am too good.
It's a bit big, but I'm loving it. Because this one you get a size 4 in it, and I'm actually a size 2, but I'm liking it. You know, it's fine. You don't have to be that hog.
Yeah.
So it's it's okay. But I'm loving this one. I'm loving this one. Oh. But oh my goodness, so black.
Like
Yeah.
nice little short split in the back.
Yeah, it does have a little slit. Oh my goodness, I'm loving this one. Oh, this feels so good, and it looks so good.
Yeah.
I'm
Was that
liking the satin. Yeah, it's satin material, and
Like I
you know
didn't
that's
know.
my favorite. You do know, you do know. So yeah, I'm liking this one. Oh my goodness, this one is cute. This one is beautiful.
Yeah.
And it gives me a bit of attitude back there, not much, but about a quarter pound of attitude. Yeah, about a quarter pound. But I'm liking this one. This one, I'm loving this one. And I do have the red in it. I'm going to try the red on.
Oh, you are?
Yeah, I'm going to try the red quickly on, but I'm loving this one.
Nice, baby. Really nice. That's really nice.
Yeah.
See, I'm going to have to take you out. So far, I'm going to have to take you at least twice.
I'm feeling myself in this dress. I'm going to see which one I'm going to go out in tonight.
Okay. Well, you know, we can go out more than once, more than twice. You can wear each one that you like.
I think it's about 7 outfits, so are you ready for 7 going out?
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay, 7 dinner on you.
All right, scared. That's the red. Oh, wow. You know, red advice, passion.
Oh my gosh,
I
I'm
said
loving
we
this
cut
one.
this video.
Oh, you know what? No, you're so slack. We didn't get to the black one in this. I'll rate it a 10. I'm not going to lie.
Okay, yeah.
But what would you rate it
Yeah,
on?
10 as well. So far I'm 10 and 10.
I'm loving this one. I'm loving it. So, I style it with this red heel. I don't know if you can see, but this is so, so cute. And yeah, I'm loving this outfit.
I'm loving it too.
So, a bit closer. It's very beautiful. As I said, it's the same size as the other one, a bit big, but it's fine. It's okay. It can be worn. So
Yes.
it's satin. I love satin. I love lace. I love anything girly. And this one, it's giving it.
Yes.
You love it?
Oh,
I like
yes.
this one.
Yes,
So,
I like it a lot.
yeah.
It is on you. It is absolutely stunning.
So you know, this is definitely a 10 for
Yeah.
me. So you did a good job, baby.
Thank you. And I'm 10 as well.
Yeah, you did pretty well.
And
What about? Yeah, the back is
the
beautiful.
back is beautiful. I'm sorry.
I love this one. This
Yeah,
one
me
is
too.
absolutely beautiful.
I
You
can't
like
wait to
it?
take this one off tonight.
No, you don't. Whatever. Anyway,
This is
you're
beautiful.
such
It
a
looks
slacker.
good on you.
Yeah, I might wear this tonight.
Yeah.
I might wear this one for dinner.
All right.
This is cute, but anyway, I'm loving this one.
Yeah, I am too.
Yeah, this one is beautiful.
Yeah,
It is
baby,
the
that looks
bomb.
good. You
Yeah.
know what? I like that dress with a glass of Chianti and some fava beans.
Stop. Such a slacker. I'll get the next one.
Oh, look at here.
This one is bomb.
Yeah.
This one, yeah. So the thing is, for this one, you get me this skirt
Mhm.
and this top, and so I kind of wanted to like.
I didn't get too
'cause-
short though.
No, it's fine. I actually like. Let me put this here for a minute. So I'm loving this skirt. It's satin, and I love it. Absolutely love it. And this top is a bit big, size medium. So I understand. But anyway, I'm loving this
You
outfit.
actually got a small.
Yeah. But I'm liking this skirt. So this is it. You like it?
Yeah, I like it.
Yeah. This is cute. And now let me go a bit.
I mean, I don't salsa anymore, but if I salsa, I would take you to salsa.
I can't salsa. Oh, you do like that? I can't do that. But let me show them a bit closer. So this is it. I'm loving the skirt. I'm liking this skirt. This is what I can wear day to day because, yeah, I can wear this as a day to day skirt because I like to wear dresses and skirt when I'm going out. This is super cute and I'm loving it. So this is the back. This is gorgeous. And so I like the little fringe right here. So for this, I'll give it a 10.
Okay.
And for me, since Dawn get me this cardigan that I love so much, I could style it with it. I could easily style it with it. See, if I'm going out, then it's kind of cooler outside.
Mhm.
I can just easily style it. And voila.
Yeah.
So, yeah, it matches. Oh my gosh, baby, you're the big thing, man.
Hey, what
You're
can I
the
say?
big
What
thing.
can I
The
say?
big thing. Yeah, my husband is the real thing. Yeah, him know my style and him know my love. And I love this. I really
It
like
looks
it.
nice on you, baby.
So for this, I'll definitely give them all 10s. I must say, everything is 10. You know what? I saw something. I can't wait to try it on. I save it for the last. I saved the best for the last. So,
I was really going out on a limb when I picked this one.
trust me, you know how extra I am. That know how extra I am sometimes. And I'm telling you, that last outfit that I'm about to try on now is the best thing you ever get.
Yeah, well, I want to see it all.
It's like bomb. So anyway, this is it.
Don't for me, baby. Go ahead, do that turn.
You want
That
to turn?
pivot. Yeah, do the pivot. Yeah. Yeah, On the stage, baby, on the stage.
On the stage?
Yes.
On it?
There you go. There you go. That's my girl. Yeah.
Yeah, you like that?
Yes, I like that. Watch the toes now. those stiletto heels hurt, man. Oh my.
You're so extra.
Oh my.
This one?
Oh, my little Asian beauty there.
What?
I thought you was Jamaican, man.
Whatever. This one is
Whoa.
wow.
Yes, it is.
You did good. I can't believe
imagined
it.
It would look like
I
that.
can't believe it.
Wow.
I wasn't expecting this.
I wasn't either. Wow.
But you got it.
Yes, I know, but I didn't know it was going to look so good on you.
Oh my.
But let me sit down. Let me sit down.
I'm loving this.
Wait a minute.
This one.
I need a moment. I need a moment. Oh. That is nice.
That is so extra.
Let me see the back too. See the back. Oh man, look at the prints.
Yeah. I was saying I was going to wear the red dress. I think this is the dinner date.
Yeah, well, see, then you want me to take you to like an Asian restaurant.
No. No. I'm going extra tonight.
That's nice.
This
baby.
one
This
is
good.
beautiful. It's off the chain.
Is this a little pocket here?
Oh yes. So it does have a little lap over. It's not really a pocket. It's
Yes,
just a
but
style.
yeah.
Yeah. And
Nice though.
I'm going to think about wearing a bodysuit in this because it's kind of weird. It's just a blazer dress.
Oh,
There's nothing actually. It's long enough,
yeah,
so it's not that bad.
yeah.
So, but for me, I can't. You know what? I think I'll wear some stocking, some fishnet stocking. I think yeah, that's the best thing. So I'm loving this. This is my favorite, and I'll give it 100. 100.
Oh,
This
we didn't
is-
jump to 100.
That's sell off. You sell off that. I'm not going to lie. You sell off. So, are you ready for dinner tonight?
Yes, I am. Dinner and dessert too.
Oh, that is such a slacker. I like this. So, I'll give it 100. Oh,
You know what? Wait a minute. I need a glass of wine for this. I
What?
really do. This is a watching. I know I don't drink, so I'm gonna get some grape juice. But hold on, hold on one second.
so
Right.
we're going to finish that. You're going to get grape juice. We're going to
Grape
finish
juice.
this one out actually tonight. So, I do like it.
I love it. I love
And
it.
what
on
would
you.
you give it on me?
What would I give it on you?
Yeah.
Probably a hug and a kiss and a smooch.
No. Whatever. Dan is so goofy. But anyway. You're
No, I
too-
would give it 100 too. I didn't know we can jump to 100, but I would give it the same thing. I really like it on you. I think it's absolutely, it's breathtaking.
Yeah.
That's
like
why I
it
needed a
too.
glass of grape juice. It just takes my breath away. If you don't mind, if you could just speed things up just a little bit and hurry up so we can go out. Because I'm just waiting for the night to come so I can take you out, you know, and we can
I like this one.
get past the preliminary stuff.
It's stop being slack. Okay, we're going to hurry up. Love you guys, and I'm loving this outfit. This is my absolute favorite. Yeah, this is my favorite. Oh my gosh, this is my favorite. And yeah, so I hope you enjoyed this video. I love you guys, and I'll catch you in my next video. Please don't forget to go ahead and subscribe to our channel. And if you did enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up. And what do I say at the end?
And always remember to
To
walk
Say,
in love.
Walk in love, stay in love, and stay
stay
connected to God. And you do have a lovely day. Thank you. Bye-bye.